is she? Have you seen Sarah? She's not at her desk. Oh. Sarah? Where is she? I need to speak to her. Sarah, we need to move 2 million for the acquisition, reconcile the Q3 payroll and hedge the euro exposure before the 2 p.m. dip.
It's done. Funds are moved, payroll reconciled, euro exposure hedge ahead of the dip, and everything is in place. We're exactly where we need to be.
What? When?
You know that AI-powered finance platform everyone's talking about?
What's Round?
Yes. I have Round.
While other finance teams are buried in manual admin, Round automates all the chaos, leaving time for, well, more important things.
That's incredible.
That's Round.
Also, what's with the Lego set? Aren't you supposed to be working?